Well, look at this. Today is Thursday, January 31st, 2013, a little after 4 a.m. in downtown Brooklyn. I'm waiting for the bus, and it's pouring outside like cats and dogs. Wow, it's raining in winter. Downtown Brooklyn once again, corner J Street and Willoughby Street. Okay, here's my bus. Yo, 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 yo. Let's see you later. Oh, man. Boy, it's boring out here. Parrish. Today is Thursday, January 31st, 2013, a little after 6:30 a.m. This video is on weather here in Brooklyn, New York, specifically weather over Bed-stuy. It's very windy out. It's like we're having a mini hurricane. I'm standing on top of my stoop. The trees. Been raining all night long. Very windy out. I estimate that the winds may be around 10, 11 miles per hour. Okay, the winds died down. Like around 10 minutes ago, oh my God, it was very, very windy out. This weather is really crazy. I think right now it's 59 degrees in winter. This weather does not know what it wants to do with itself. I suspect that in the summer we will have maybe well, I would say spring we will have crazy spring weather, and I would say in the summer we will have crazy summer weather. Lots of thunderstorms in the summer. That's what I believe will happen. Okay, I'm using another camera. This is my first smartphone. I'm using a camera phone. I'm not using a flip camera. I'm using a Android smartphone. The winds are picking up. Oh my God. Garbage cans are flying all over the place. Also, I believe in the year 2013, I believe a lot of records will be broken pertaining to weather. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care.